Blutbad.
Hello, and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'll be showing you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled, I Had Friends on That Station. I'll also show you how I edited my final image in Photoshop. For this photograph, I used figures from Hasbro's Black Series line of Star Wars toys. We've got Grand Moff Tarkin and a trio of Stormtroopers. Before setting up the main scene, however, I had to make my little news broadcast. I used a photo I took of Tarkin and a screenshot from Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. I grabbed the Imperial press corps logo from Wikipedia and combined them all in Photoshop with some text of my own. When I was happy with the result, I loaded the image onto an old phone that scales nicely as a view screen for a 1/12 scale figure. The staging for this photo was very easy. I used a piece of black acrylic as my floor surface and then used some acrylic cylinders to prop up my Imperial walls. These walls are 3D printed and I bought them on Etsy. After that, all I had to do was place the cell phone and pose and add my figures to take the shot. For this shot, I set my ISO to 100 to avoid any digital noise on my nice clean white troopers, and I complemented this ISO setting with a shutter speed of half a second. I set my aperture to f13 and used a 38mm focal length to get just the right amount of blur on my background. Editing for this shot was pretty simple too. I used a second plate and a layer mask to remove the acrylic cylinder, and used a combination of tools to edit out the seams of my background and my figures. Next, I cropped the image and tweaked the perspective to fix my slightly off-center camera angle. A series of adjustment layers, some digital dusting, a slight vignette, and a bit more cropping, and we have the final image. This is where we started, and this is where we finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Until next time.